I will say I use what they call acronym DREAMS: diet, rest. E is exercise, very important. Doesn't matter how old you are. M is medical, your medical checkup, your medical situation. And S is social interaction. It's very important. You shouldn't be alone. You shouldn't be dejected and depressed. You should move around people. And then, of course, I say dreams with C. C is contentment. Be contented. There's nothing that you want that God cannot do for you. And if you are not satisfied with what God can do for you, then you'll be running around in circles. There's no bad situation that will not be good. The question is when and how. So all we should be saying to those who have the opportunity now, because it's an opportunity for you to have to run the affairs of your country, look after your people. It's an opportunity that it should not be me. It should be we. It should not be mine. It should be ours. It should not be my tomorrow. It should be our tomorrow. It should not be my generation. It should be all generations, including the generation coming. Because that is what sustainable development is about. We don't eat today and not remember the generation coming that they too will have to eat. That's what it is.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.